Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Windows Update. Once there, pause updates for 7 days or choose a specific pause date to stop immediate downloads. Make sure your HP laptop is plugged in and that you save any open files. This prevents unexpected restarts. If you need more time, use the Pause Until menu and pick a date. Doing this first stops background downloads while you make deeper, persistent changes in the next steps. Next, prevent Windows from automatically pulling driver updates, which often trigger full system updates. Open Control Panel, select System, then Advanced System Settings. Under Hardware, choose Device Installation Settings and select No. If your HP laptop has HP Support Assistant, open it and disable automatic updates there too. This stops device drivers from prompting Windows Update. Once done, restart the machine to ensure settings take effect and confirm in Windows Update that no new driver downloads are queued. To finalize, set your primary network as a metered connection in Network Settings so Windows defers non-critical updates. Then, open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, right-click to stop and set Startup Type to Manual or Disabled for stronger control. Remember, this can delay security fixes. Make sure to re-enable later for important patches. If updates still install or errors appear, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and check Windows Update logs. This resolves common conflicts and verifies the change succeeded.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.